ay statutory laws such as car thief or burglary. Instead, trait theories focus on basic human behavior and drives aggression, violence, and tendency to act on impulse that link to antisocial behavior patterns. So, ang trait theories ko, no, diri ako nagko-concern legal definition of crime. But, nagko-concern niya sa basic human behavior na influence, nag-impact na mag-drives or mag-desire to, nag-drive sa ira nga maging aggression, violence, and to act on impulses that link to antisocial behavior patterns. They also recognize that human traits alone do not produce criminality and that crime-producing interaction involve both personal traits such as intelligence, personality, chemical, and genetic makeup, and environmental factors such as family life, education attainment, economic factors, and neighborhood conditions. So, even the most committed trait theorists recognize that environmental condition is in disadvantaged inner city areas may have powerful influence on antisocial behavior. Many people who reside in these areas experience poverty, racism, frustration, and anger, yet relatively few become delinquency and even fewer mature into adult criminals. So, ibig sabihin ni an environmental condition sa inner city areas, bagan may daya big impact kung kaano sa tao may da antisocial behavior because of the experience of puberty, racism, frustration, and anger. Dito. So, trait theorists argue that those who do become chronic offenders suffer some biological, psychological condition or trait that renders them incapable of resisting social pressures and problem. So, as biocriminology Anthony Walls and Lee Ellis conclude, if there's one takeaway lesson from studying biological basis of behavior, is that the more we study them, the more we realize how important the environment is. So, didi kan biologist Anthony Walls and Lee bagan na-realize nira through pagstudyhan biological basis of behavior, mas na kukuha nagkakamaydaan hirahin, mas na-realize nira kung gaano kadakon kung gaano kadako o how environment gives a big impact to individual behavior or personalities. So, trait theories have gained recent prominence because of what is now known about chronic recidivism and the development of criminal careers. If only a small percentage of all of them go on to become persistent repeaters, then it is possible that what sets them apart from the criminal population is an abnormal biochemical makeup, brain structure, genetic situation. Even criminals do choose crime. The fact that some repeatedly make that choice could. So, based na ako pagkakaintindi, kung usa nga offender goes on to become anya crime, bagan ginrepeat niya paulit-ulit, meaning bagan may da something which is abnormal biochemical makeup, higher brain structure, genetic constitution that separates them from other criminals. So, trait theories can be divided into two major subdivisions, one that stresses psychological functioning, another that stresses biological makeup. So, this naman is, ako naman kukuan on strength, weaknesses, opportunities, and traits, trait theory. So, ma'am? So, on strengths and trait theories, these theories recognize that both biological and environmental factors influence crime behavior, providing a holistic view of crime causation. So, asya na. So, ini nga theories or trait theories naghatag idea or insight kung ano ba ang impact han environmental factors in criminal behavior. Ano sa tao that okay. So, usa naman is trait theories helps to identify aggregate behaviors. So, ang weaknesses naman niya is traits are often poor predictors of future behavior, which means that an individual who displays a specific trait may not always behave in that way in every given situation. So, ibig sabihin, ang trait theories kasi may da, ang weakness niya kay may da siya poor prediction han behavior ng sa tao. Kasi, diri ibig sabihin usa nga individual na display sa niya sa ugali. Diri ibig sabihin nga, asyalatan iya ihimo na usa nga sitwasyon. So, an opportunity man, these theories are used by criminologists to have information or knowledge why certain individual or criminal commit crimes and also helps to prevent future criminal behaviors. And traits. Trait theories has lack of empirical evidences. That trait theories do not address how or why individual differences in personality develop or emerge. Bagan may kulang sa trait theories, bagan may da siya lack of empirical evidence kung kano ba nag-emerge, kung kano ba ang personality how kung kaano ba an individual has different personality, kung kung kaano ba nagkakamay-dahan different personality. So, ang conclusion, studying trait theories provide a framework for better understanding the factors that contribute to the development of criminal behavior, linking individuals' characters to their decision and action in life. Recognizing these traits can aid in the development of more effective crime prevention strategies and treatment for individuals with antisocial behaviors. Additionally, recognizing its weaknesses can give it more comprehensive understanding of human behavior that leads to better prediction of crime behaviors in future. So, in conclusion, ang studying hini nga threat theories kada akon iya nakakahatagya siya nga ni insights sa mga criminologist kung kaano sa nga tao nagbe-behave, kung nagbe-behave hiton, or ano ba ang mga contributes or factors that affect their personality that makes them behave that results to criminality. So that's all for my report. So I hope na nakahatag ako information or ideas about, di ako confident kon nakahatag ako comprehensive, but I hope naman na nakahatag ako sa ideas about it. So that's all, everyone. So thank you for listening, and